Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 2007 GT500. Got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Steve?
Good, Mike. Yeah, thanks. I've had the car since 2008, so I'm the second owner. I bought it with 2,000 miles on the car. The only thing that would change were the springs, and I had Don's rims on it. It's actually what sold me in the car because of the stance. But I've changed it to Steada Springs, put these Vossens on it. They're brand new Mickey Thompsons in the back. Actually, all the tires are new. It's got a 5.8 2014 Supercharger off of a GT500. I think that's a, I forget the name of it, a VPN or something. So it's off of that. It's got a lower pulley, American racing headers.
Kind of boost?
About 18-19 boost. It's pushing about 6.
Wow.
Yeah, 675 to the tire.
Wow, she's a monster.
I got 373 gears.
Original gears too that came with it, right?
I have the original gears. I have 411 gears that I'll put in with the car. I have the original tires and rims with no mileage on the tires actually, but the original rims. I got that from the owner. I have the springs. I have the original Supercharger. I have all the original parts to the car. But it runs fantastic. It's
really nice.
A great car. Great to see it go.
The wheels give it a really nice stance with those fat Mickeys on the back.
Yeah, they fit perfect. They're 305 3520s in the back. And the Mickey Thompsons, they definitely do the job hooking up.
Yeah, those are, I had a 700 horse Corvette, and those are the only tires that really get me to launch.
Yeah. And I got a there was a Steada Shifter. I changed that to a Burton, and it has a McCloud Clutch.
Is it a carbon clutch?
No, I don't think it's carbon.
Just a heavy duty McCloud clutch?
Yeah, heavy duty McCloud Clutch. It's much easier actually to push down than the original ones were no good anyway, and it actually is a lot easier to drive. Pretty
loaded inside too, including Shaker 1000.
Yeah,
very rare.
It doesn't have the navigation, but it does have the shaker and all the other stuff in the car.
You know,
pretty much they didn't come with too many options.
Well, the nav even for this year was real clunky. You know?
Yeah.
You're better off using your phone.
It does have XM.
Beautiful. $21,569 miles. Love the shifter handle.
Yeah.
Really cool. The ball. Yeah, the sticker, owner's manuals, all that.
No, this guy didn't have it. I bought it from the dealer.
Love the colors. So Shelby, you know?
Yeah,
and there she is. Super reliable and plenty of horse, you know?
I put bigger, these are larger air intake. That's the lower American racing headers.
What kind of exhaust?
American racing has the hydro cast that they were gutted, and then it's a Magna flow exhaust. It sounds fantastic.
Sounds great.
It's not thrown in the car, it just goes out the back. It's great.
You go for a quick ride?
Okay, let's go.
Window tint.
The tint isn't too dark.
commit to anything, bro. Take a lot to get this car where it sits now. Yeah, pulse. Feels good too.
So what do you want me to do?
Just throw down and make a pass by, yeah. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot for joining us today.